Come on. You get eaten by an alligator. I don't want to be on TMZ. Let's go. You look really handsome, Mr. Muscles. Yeah, I told you it's hot.